Hi friends, today we're going to do Module 4, Lesson 14. So let's go ahead and look at our objective. We are going to represent decomposition and composition addition stories to 7 with drawings and equations with no unknown. So we have all the parts for our story to answer our number bond and our number sentence. Yesterday we worked within 6. Today we will work within 7. So if you have 7 cubes, go ahead and get them out. Your number bond and a pencil or paper or a whiteboard and marker, whichever you choose to use. All right, let's get started. Today our application problem says Taj the train is pulling 7 cars. Make sure you have 7 blocks for your cars. It says that 3 cars are full and 4 cars are empty. So I've got my 4 blue empty ones and my 3 full yellow ones. And I'm also going to put that on the screen so that you can see. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are my empty ones. And then we're going to do, one second. All right, let's add this to the back so that we can see all of our cubes. There we go. All right, 4 that are empty and 3 that are full. I'm going to spread them out just a little bit so that you can see. And I'm going to draw a little bit of something in here. These are full. Great. All right, let's fill in our number bond to match our picture. How many are empty? Good. You remembered 4. That's part of our story. How many are full? 3. Great job. How many do we have all together? 7. Great job, friends. Now pay attention to our number sentence. We have the whole first over here. So we've got to start with 7 equals, and now our parts. 4 plus 3. Great job, friends. Now, moving on, I want you to create your very own train. So you can use more than 7 cubes, you can use less than 7 cubes, and see if you can write a sentence. Remember, we're going to put the whole first today. So I'm going to choose this number. And you can follow along with me if you'd like. Let's count and see how many Miss Plitt has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, a challenging one. Let's see. If I add 1 more, I have 8. 7 and 1 equals 8. Remember, you can also start with the whole, the total, and it can look like this. 8 equals 7 and 1. Great job. Let's do another one. Let's see how many Miss Plitt has up here. Good. And we're going to separate them to make our 2 parts. And my 2 parts are 1 and 3. Great job. Let's start with the whole. How many do we have all together? 4. Good. One part is 1. The other part is 3. And we can read our sentence. 4 equals 1 plus 3. Your turn. Good job, friends. All right, today I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so you can see my animals. We're going to do the giraffes and elephants first, and then we'll do the bears. All right, let's take a look at what we have. How many animals do we have all together? Count them up. 7. Straight across, down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. Great job, friends. Now let's take a look at our number bond. We've got our whole at the top right here and our parts at the bottom. One of our parts is the giraffe. How many giraffes do we have? 5. How many elephants? 2. How many all together? 7. Great job, friends. Now for our baby bear, let's pay attention to our number bond. We've got the hole at the bottom this time. The parts are at the top. Good. The parts are 1 big bear and 6 little bears. All together, how many bears do we have? 1 and 6 makes 7. Great job. Fill in our parts. 1 big teddy bear, 6 little teddy bears, all together 7 teddy bears. Great job, friends. All right, last problem. And again, we're challenging ourselves to pay attention to these symbols and write the sentence both ways. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look at how they're different. What do you notice? I noticed that too. If you look closely, these bears have hearts. Let me circle them for you. These bears have hearts. And the other bears have bow ties. Let's start with the ones that have hearts that Miss Plitt just circled. Let's pay attention to our number sentence. We have the whole right here and the parts. You can start with any part that you'd like. Just make sure you pay attention to the order that they go in. I'm going to start with a part. How many have hearts? 4. Good. How many do not? How many have bow ties? 3. And then all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job. Now our number sentence has switched. This is the part, this is the part, this is the whole. So we're going to start with our parts. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Great job today, friends. Join me next time.